Moyenne, wie geht it? Look at these things. Can you believe how huge they are? But now we're heading for our last stop on the Minett Tour, FORT E GEET. I'm going to use the Mobilität app, find out how to get there. We are taking a train and my bike. So we're now going to head to the train station and go to Niederkorn. I'm headed to FORT E GEET, which is a really interesting place. It's a secluded valley with all these old mining tunnels. And now you can go on nature walks, you can visit an old-fashioned store, you can take a little mining train, you can of course take the 1900 steam train too. This is a great place to go. All right, I'm here in Niederkorn. I'm now gonna ride my bike to FORT E GEET. It's not far, it's only a couple kilometers. However, it is a really steep climb. If you don't feel up to the climb, you could take bus 6 from Marktplatz. I'll show you where it is. So here it is, the Marktplatz bus stop. It's right next to the roundabout. If you don't want to ride your bike, you can take bus 6 to Spielplatz, and that's where you get to FORT E GEET. Now for me, I'm feeling pretty burly and strong, and I am going to attack that hill. Wish me luck. I thought they said that was a hill. That's a walk in the park. Well, that climb was not easy, but just a reminder that you don't have to do that. You can always take bus 6. So now I am on the edge of FORT E GEET, and it looks downhill. All right, well here we are, we made it to the end of the Minett Tour. We started in Luxembourg, we went to Dudelange, Rumelange, Esch2022, Beauval, and now finally here at FORT E GEET. And we did it all with the help of the Mobilität app. And we found out it was actually quite easy. And I highly recommend doing the Minett Tour because all these places are fascinating and beautiful. See you next time, Addy Chow, tip top.